Students, NEET exam 2026 May 3rd exam cancelled because of paper leakage. Actually, it is bad news for the students who are prepared well and presented well, and it is a little advantage for the children, especially first attempt, means who completed second year and who gave first attempt. For them, it is maybe advantage if you use the time properly. The exam schedule will be announced very shortly. So today itself, you start preparation. First, you start with NCERT textbooks. My advice is you start with NCERT textbooks, because already I told you in the previous video about NEET exam, maximum all questions are based on NCERT textbooks or directly from NCERT textbooks. So if you go through NCERT textbook and then after you practice the previous papers and the model papers, this is definitely useful within short time, because they won't give more time. Mostly it will connect very soon. So first of all, today you start with the NCERT textbooks. NCERT textbooks only going to decide the top mark, top score. So NCERT textbooks you prepare and you go through the model papers. You start after once one round you complete NCERT textbooks, then you start to write previous year question papers test and model paper test. Then definitely you will get very good score. You don't worry who wrote very well. Again, you definitely will be top. Who are already top according to the key, definitely they will be top again if they conduct exam also. And little advantage for freshers, means who are latest completed PUC second year or intermediate second year or 12th class. For them it is a little advantage. So you take once again, it is a best opportunity for you. You start today, you will get definitely better rank. All the best, all of you.